Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the amino acids in the abbreviation phenylalanine. Phenylalanine side chain is equal to CH2-C6H5, benzyl group. Valine side chain is equal to CH3, 2 isopropyl, CHCH3 with a CH3 branch. Alanine side chain is equal to CH3. Moving on to the next step. The peptide is written N-terminus to C-terminus as phenylalanine, meaning the first amino acid residue at the H2N end must be Phe, the second must be Val, and the third, at the OH end, must be Ala. Moving on to the next step. First residue side chain, CH2-phenyl Phe. Second residue side chain, CH3 isopropyl Val. Third residue side chain, CH3 Ala. Sequence, phenylalanine. And for the final step. Option B. Third residue has CH2-phenyl Phe instead of Ala. Option C. Second residue has CH3 Ala and third has CH3 Val, giving phenylalanine. Option D. First residue has CH3 Ala, giving alaphenyl. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.